COVID-19. Holy moly, what's going on with the real estate market? In this video, I'll be sharing with you my prediction of what will happen in the real estate market. As a real estate agent who is working during COVID-19, because I am considered to be an essential business and it is my obligation to help my clients, whether they're buyers or sellers, with their next chapter in life, I wanted to share with you what I see as it is. Make sure you subscribe right here, you press the bell button so you can get notified, and we're posting 3 videos a week. Also remember to smash that like button right here and make sure that you comment below, because your feedback and other videos that you want us to produce, we're happy to produce. Supply and demand, basic economics of scale. If there is not enough supply, but there's lots of buyers who need to buy something, but if there is nothing to buy, or in some cases there is one home for every 9, 10, 11 buyers, what do you think is going to happen? You guessed that right. Prices will increase. Interest rates being so low. Some cases I had a client who just closed a mortgage with 1.8%.
1.8%.
They were able to afford a bigger home, so they moved up from a townhouse to a 2-car garage, and the difference between the mortgage is $50 a week. That's it. It's $200 a month. That's one dinner out at a restaurant, which you can't do anyways right now. Are the prices going to increase? Are they going to decrease? It really depends on the market, and it depends on the pocket where you are located in the city that will determine the prices. In some places where prices were so inflated to begin with, one of them is being Willowdale, Young and Shepherd, the prices have increased so much in the past 2 years that yes, you will see a decrease in prices. And I'll tell you an example. A 1-bedroom apartment has gone from $400,000 to about $550,000 in 2 years. That's a $150,000 increase in 2 years. If the supply is now going to increase and there's going to be more apartments available at Young and Shepherd as a result of tenants not paying the rent, the landlord potentially kicking out the tenants and now putting it back on the market, there is going to be a supply, an increased supply of apartments. Yes, because we only have a certain amount of buyers to buy a certain amount of apartments, then the price will decrease. Will it decrease by 90%? Absolutely not. Doesn't want to sell the price at the price that they have in mind? All they're going to do, they're just going to rent out the apartment again for another year, 2 years. They will just wait it out. But if they do want to sell, because they're investors and they need to sell, you are able to get a good deal, maybe about 5% savings, 6% savings, but it's not going to be 9%. Let's talk about if you're a seller, because this is something as well that goes through your mind. There's COVID-19. What do I do? Should I sell? Should I not sell? I have always been telling my clients, if you have made a decision to sell, stick to that decision. Don't wait and see what will happen in the future, because we don't have a crystal ball. We don't know what will happen in the future. If you have made this decision to sell, do it. Which means we now need to get your home ready for showings during COVID-19. We need to make sure that we do the virtual tour. We're doing everything we can to prepare the home. Let's make sure that we price it correctly, because price makes a big difference. If you're thinking your home is worth $1.5 million because you have hardwood floors on the main and the second, but in reality your home is worth $1.3 million, don't make that mistake of overpricing it. When it comes to pricing is key. I suggest to always price it just a little below fair market value to attract as many buyers as possible, so that we can do the opposite. If we bring as many buyers as possible, we get as many offers, and when you get a lot of offers, then the price will naturally sell for higher price. So always consider selling 5% below market value to attract more buyers. Make sure you reach out, comment below with any other questions you have. Make sure you check us online right here on LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Even if you don't like my predictions and it's only my personal predictions, if you don't like them, comment below. I want to know more what you have in mind. Have an amazing day.